How you can design your brand store on Amazon to rank higher, bring external traffic and double your sales. Hi, this is Nusrat from Ecomclips, and today I will show you the step-by-step process of creating Storefront, along with showing you the best practices you can follow to get the extra benefit. We all know what is the brand store. If you got a detailed page on Amazon, here you can see that this say visit to the Eclat skincare store. When you create your storefront and link your product to your storefront, the below of the title of every listing there will be a link that directs the shoppers to your storefront. Click on the link. This is the storefront that starts with a banner. Right below you can see their brand logo. These are the pages of the storefront. Here something impressive. Follow banner. See this arrow? Pulls your attention to the follow button. If I scroll down, they use an image showcasing their multiple products. So you can have an idea what different product they sell. Right below, these are their best selling products to let the shopper know which items are popular. If I scroll down again and you can see the collection of their products, like what they're offering and what they're selling. Well, this is their achievement, and you can see that there are some products that are recommended for you. So this is basically the storefront where you can tell your brand story, what's your brand all about, and you can list your every product collection on it. And the cool thing about your brand story is that you can get traffic from other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, even Google. If your storefront contains with keywords that are searched by people on Google, that will help get you traffic on your Amazon storefront. You can share your brand store link on the social media platform to get traffic. Here you can see the link. This is your customized URL for your brand store. Amazon.com/store/your name here. You can share this link to your social media. So this is all about the storefront, and the main benefit of having a storefront is having all the product catalog in one place in an engaging way. Let's say a customer is buying a shirt from you. If you also sell matching pants, they might buy those too. Without a storefront, they could end up buying the pants from another seller. But with a storefront, you can show your matching items, which will create a great chance that the customer will buy more from you. This way, you can get more sales by keeping all your products in one place. I think you got this idea. Now let's dive into our Seller Central and let's see how we can create our own storefront. This is the Seller Central. From here, I am going to manage a store. You can find this at the bottom of the page. Click on this and now click on the Edit Store and it will navigate to this page, and this is the interface where we are going to create our storefront. Let's go through the interface real quick and First, we are going to add a banner. And the blank space, this is where we are going to decorate our store. Add product catalog, images, text and all. This is the add page. And this is the add segment to add images, text, banner and many more. I'll show you how to add pages later, but first let's add a banner. For that, click on this header. Click on upload and new. We already have created a banner. Let's add this from our computer and done. We can adjust the image from here. Also, we can crop from here. If you are satisfied with the image, then click done. Now I am going to add some images and tiles on the blank page. For that, click this add new section. Here you can see different options. Choose tiles type. This is the split section. By using this tile, we can add 2 images. Use this for adding 3 images. There's a lot of option for the layout. So you can choose any as you like. I think you got this. So also we can add text from this, and this is for adding a large image. If I click this here, you can see the image size. Choose layout for an image from here, and we can add as in this section. The next thing is that an image with text. Same, but here we use text overlay in the image as well. In here, we add prefix, header and body text that will show you on your image. This is a shoppable image, and this is interesting thing here. We can add product image and add the SN. And this gonna be showing a dot on your product. So when a shopper click on it, they landed on the listing page. Product here, we can add single products and product grid to multiple products. But we can show our product collection on it. Product deals, best selling products to showcase our best selling. Recommended product, we can also add video, background video as well as gallery. So alright, now I'm going to decorate our storefront. First, let's add an image. Click on this and I'm adding a banner with a company slogan. I have already created one. Let's adjust this a little bit and yeah, done. So let's add a shoppable image right now. You can see that there are product on the image, and now going to add an SN. Click on the add product. Again, click add products. Now you put your SN here and there is my SN. So if I copy this and paste and search, the product will appear. Just click add now. You can see the dot in the image. Now all I have to place the dot to the right product and done. Same way, let's add the other product. Alright, now hit save. And from here, click done. Let's now add layout, and I'm going to add layout which has 4 tiles on it. Okay, these are for the mobile view, and I'm gonna change it to desktop view, and let's see. So I'm adding this one, and interestingly, for each tile we can add all options you are seeing here. For all the big tiles, let's add an image. And here I'm adding a banner, and what I'm going to do is in this shop now button, I'm gonna connect a subpage here. For that, I need to create a subpage. I'll do it later. So for this time, going to add to text. Well, actually I added an image from the text, so you can create this in Photoshop. Now we'll add another layout. And what I am thinking is I'm gonna use the same tile, but this time I'm gonna flip it. So to flip it, click this and flip horizontally. Let's add image and text here. This is what our storefront homepage look like now, and if I go to the see preview, okay, looking great. So now let me show you how you can add your pages on your storefront. Click on the add page, name your page here, and here is the best part, like where you can have to write some meta description. This is very important thing. So your meta description can help your store rank on Google search. So there you can have to write a simple paragraph. Maybe you have 5 to 6 lines in some much. You should give some more important information about your brand, and make sure that you must include all your keywords that are relevant to your brand and your product. So I'm just writing a demo right now. Below here, you can see some templates. For our page, we can use any of them, or we can customize and create our own. For that, click blank and then click on create page. Now all the process are same. You should decorate your page according to your plan. Now let's see how you can link this page to the shop now button from the home page. Do you remember that? Click this image, and now the right side you can see add a link. So I'm going to add second page, which is a bar equipment. Just write it here. If I search, then the store page will appear, and here you can see this. Click add and click done. Okay, so let's check if this is done properly or not. Go on preview, and if I click on the shop now button, this will land me on this page. So this is it, and I think you got the idea. I have built a home page and a sub page called bar equipment. You can add more pages following the same process. One thing I can say about How to decorate your storefront, it's totally up to you. You have to plan how you can showcase the storefront most eye-catching way so that it's gonna be engaging to the shoppers, so that your shoppers can connect them with your brand. If you need any help creating a storefront in more engaging way, we will be glad to help you. You can email us at info@ecomclips.com for any confusion or if you have any questions. Let us know in the comment section below. If you need to know anything about e-commerce, we have tons of informative videos on our channel. Go check those out. You can get on a same-day appointment and talk to us about how we can use these strategies to level up your account. So, check out all these resources or give us a call today. We can talk to you to solve your queries. So, thanks for tuning in today. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.